Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to export private keys on Moonshot. But before we get started, please keep in mind nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice and I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. First off, go ahead and pull up your Moonshot app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now from the homepage, you want to click on the cogwheel at the upper right corner of the screen. That's the settings icon. Then from here, you have to click on export keys. And from here, you'll already see your keys. All right, your private keys. Now what you need to do is just simply copy this one. Copy and securely store your private key and never share this key with anyone as it grants full access to your funds. And basically that's it. Now you know how to export private keys on Moonshot in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!